it's officially time to commence the fall season. It is August 16th today. Starbucks officially has not dropped their fall drinks yet. Usually that's when I commence the fall season. I figured I'd get into it. HomeSense, my local home store, is having their final clearance today, and they have a bunch of fall decor. That's my favorite place to go at the beginning of the season, so I figured I'd head over there. I also need to run a couple errands. I'm looking for a new bed frame because I've had mine since I was in grade 2 or something, and it's getting all worn out. So I want to look for a little metal bed frame. I'm not gonna be decorating my room for a little bit, but that'll for sure be in this video. For now, let's go make a coffee. I'm wearing my new Aritzia hoodie to really set the cozy fall vibe. Still wearing shorts though. But yeah, let's get a move on with the day. This Toronto English coffee is my favorite coffee syrup ever. Perfect. Well, I've been wanting to do a vintage frame collage section wall on one of the walls of my bedroom, where I currently just have pictures taped up in a collage little layout. In HomeSense right now, they have a few vintage looking frames. They have this one, which I think is beautiful. They're for on a table, but I can also hang it up. They also have a little size, and then they have a size in between these, but I just need to thrift or buy frames that are this kind of vintage wash. They have this one, if it would focus, but it's a little bit more yellow, kind of rose gold compared to those two. These ones would be great, but they're hinged together for on a table. After Bridgerton season 3 came out, Michaels came out with this little coquette French line, and I think it's so adorable. If I had a house, this is where my jackets and keys would be going. Hey guys, good morning. Sorry for the noise. I just have my coffee pouring right now. It just ended. Today is Wednesday and it's a gloomy day. I started the day out by coming down and watching other people's fall vlogs, which inspired me to do some fall activities of my own this morning other than fall shopping, because I'm not ready to get some new stuff and decorate my room just quite yet. So I thought we'd do some fall baking today. I'm gonna make Taylor Swift's chai cookies. I haven't made them in a few years. I think I did them literally religiously when she first posted the recipe on her Instagram, which I think was 3 years ago or something. So I have the recipe online and I'm gonna try and make it. I'm hoping I have all the ingredients. I didn't check, but I think it's pretty basic. My drink of choice today is a hot drink, which I don't typically do, but I did a English toffee latte. We got a perfect creamy, foamy thickness, so let's take a sip. That is really good. All right, I've got the ingredients up here. It says I need flour, baking soda, salt, chai spices. So I'm gonna be using ginger, cinnamon, allspice. I don't have cardamom and I don't think I have cloves, but I will use a pinch of black pepper as well. I need 1 egg, vanilla extract, and then for the glaze, if I do choose to do that or have time, I'll do powdered sugar, nutmeg, and then either milk or eggnog. Oh my god, I wish I had eggnog. And then I think that's it, so let's get baking. I have my KitchenAid bowl right here. I'm starting with half a cup of butter. I'm just gonna use margarine because that's what I have. Hopefully this tub has enough. If not, I do have another one I can open, but I think this will be enough. All right, I'm adding half a cup of butter into my bowl. Next, I'm gonna do half a cup of oil. It suggests canola or sunflower. I think I have vegetable. I just beat the butter for about a minute on high, and I'm just gonna add the vegetable oil in and keep mixing it. I'm adding half a cup of granulated sugar, and now I'm gonna add all of my spices. I'm starting with 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. I'm not gonna be able to get it into this, but we're just gonna do a general measurement, and hopefully that's fine. Okay, this isn't coming out very well, but this is half. I'm just gonna do about 1, and then I'm just gonna put some more in there. It says 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, so I'm just gonna do 1 little shake. I didn't end up having cardamom, but I do have cloves. It says 1/8 of a teaspoon. That smells so good. They're whole cloves. I don't know if this is right. Yeah, it's actually calling for ground cloves, so I'm not gonna do this. I do just have black pepper, so we'll just do one little crunch. I'm thinking maybe for the cloves, I'll just do a little sprinkle on the icing, and I think that would look good. I'm just gonna mix this up and then add the egg. I just added the egg, vanilla extract, and salt off camera, and now I'm gonna do 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 cups of flour. That's everything, so now I'm just gonna keep mixing this, and then I do have to put it in the fridge for about an hour. I think I'll do the freezer until it's just firmer. Ignore my mess, but this is all mixed up. I'm just gonna stick it in the freezer for 15 minutes so it's just a little bit easier to roll. Okay, I just pulled these out of the freezer. It says to do 2 tablespoons if you want larger ones, or 1 tablespoon if you want smaller ones. I think I'm just gonna do 1. I have my cookie sheet here, the smaller one, so we'll see how many we can fit on. I don't have that much dough, so I think it'll be good. I have this little cookie scoop that'll scrape it out, so I'm just gonna start pulling this out and rolling them into little balls. I'm actually definitely gonna need a bigger cookie sheet. I grabbed this one, which is twice the size, so I'm just gonna transfer them over. Okay, I did a dozen of tablespoon sizes, but I actually have a lot of dough left, so I'm just gonna double these and then put them in the oven. Okay, these are all done. It said to roll them in cinnamon and sugar, but I think I'm just gonna skip that. I did just do a little bit of cinnamon on top of each. And now I'm gonna set these in the oven for about 20 minutes. Hey guys, it's August 22nd and Fall Drinks at Starbucks just launched today. So what better time to go get a drink than the afternoon where it's gloomy and it, just as I started talking, started pouring rain. Yeah. We went to Costco with the hopes of finding the Tazo pumpkin chai concentrate. We were out of luck, however, we did find bottled bubble tea for less than the price at Target, but double the amount of bottles, so that was a win. They have little versions of the Tarani flavors here. We only have the big bottles at home. I've also seen online that they make Tarani pumpkin drizzle, so maybe if we find one of these in pumpkin, we'll get that instead. They have a lot of Chamberlain coffee, but I've seen these online, the oat milk ones, and I've heard that they're really not good, which is disappointing because I like oat milk and I wanted to try Emma's brand, but also I don't really drink canned coffee, so it's not worth it. This is new. I didn't know that they made these with oat milk. I wonder if that's an American thing or if they also have that in Canada. Back on the hunt for the pumpkin Tazo concentrate. It says they're sold out in the pumpkin online, but maybe they've restocked. If not, we'll try Walmart. I've seen online that Target has really been failing with having fall decor this year, which appears to be true. However, they have a lot of candles. Not that I need them, but they all are on sale right now and they smell really good. I also really like this one because it's like a winter scent, but it doesn't look like fall. Like every other cross-border shopping vlog, we had to stop at Taco Bell to get the American things, although I think everything I got today you can actually get in Canada, so it doesn't matter. But also stocking up on Diablo and breakfast salsa for home. Well guys, no luck getting pumpkin chai. We went literally to every single grocery store, but last stop we decided to stop at the IGA right before we crossed back to the border, and again they didn't have it, but they did have pumpkin oat milk Chobani creamer, but it was only 4 servings, so it wasn't worth it. But I got 2 pumpkin almond milk nut pod creamers. Looking forward to this.